This is Izzy on his prime. Okay? I'm like maybe like about 20 feet. 20 feet walking distance. Look at him. He's like a freaking bunny. I can't catch up with him. He's unleashed. This is him. I cannot catch up with him. Look at him. Look at him go. Unleash the Izzy in him. Do you see this? People. This little guy. My munchkin boy. He is crazy. I tell you what. You can't catch up with him. Alright. We're on like our semi like nature walk. Just me and Izzy. Into nature. Oh. He's been cooking up the room so much. I haven't gone out in like forever. We cooked in the house. So that's fine. He's like this. You see? I can't catch up with him. I'll stop and see if I'm here. And then I'll start up again. Look at that, see? Look at that, look at it, look at it. Is he not like a freaking like a bunny? I swear. He's like a bunny. But trapped in a Yorkie body. I swear. Baby, hold on! Look, I can't catch up. Okay, I gotta go. Gotta go after him.